Record all of us struggling.
For the record.
Right. Okay, so you guys.
So I thought this. I
Yeah.
have to make 12.
So Antonia, it'll be straight. It'll tell you when it's straight because it'll say like 90 degrees or 180 degrees or something. Yeah, like that.
I don't think I made the other one straight.
It looks slightly off. So if it makes like so drag this one diagonal. Oh, you can. Okay. I feel like there's a delay.
Ooh. Ooh.
And remember, guys, I think S is always faster than dragging your mouse up to the toolbar, but that's just me.
I didn't know that was I guess like a hotkey for SolidWorks.
Yeah, I need to look them up. That's the only one I know. I was just messing around one day and I was like, oh, this does something.
Bruh.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm almost done with my cube. I'm closing it now.
Okay, you guys can take your time because I still don't know how to apply a stress.
How do I close it?
Is it von Mises stress?
Yeah, I got like a box.
Do you want to show me?
Yeah, can I show you what I got going on?
Got to stop screen sharing, right?
I don't know.
No, I think you can do. I did my settings so that you all can do it. Maybe. Go ahead and try it, Duncan. See what happens.
Yeah, it says I'm screen sharing.
Okay. It's weird. I don't see it though. Can I view all of you guys at the same time? I cannot. I guess. Antonia, can you stop screen sharing for a second so I can mess with my settings? They're grayed out right now. Oh, wait, whose screen am I looking at now? Who's got the purple cube?
Blue? Mine's blue. I don't know.
Can you stop sharing also so I can mess with my settings?
Yeah.
I thought it'd be able to show me both of yours at the same time. But
Zoom's not cool like that yet.
Oh, what the poop? Who can share? Okay, that's dumb. I had to select different settings so I can switch the settings and then put the first setting back. Okay, you both can try screen sharing now and we'll see what happens. Antonia, are you sharing yet?
Yes.
Dang it.
I don't think Zoom wants to see us collaborate like that.
I can only see one of y'all's screens. I think Duncan's.
No, I think you're seeing mine.
Who's got the cube?
I have a blue cube.
Who's got the orange square highlighted?
I do.
Oh wait, I have to click side by side mode. Yes. No, you suck so bad. Okay, so I have to manually pick whose screen to view. Okay, that works. Okay, Duncan, you got yours pretty good. Can you add weldments to that? You remember that?
No. Weldments.
And then Antonia, how do you think yours is going?
My lines just turned red.
Okay, go ahead and press Control Z because it means you have an over-defined thing.
Means they're angry at you. Okay, so I'm on the weldments tab. Material not specified. Okay, so I'm gonna click on one of these lines.
Okay, so are all of yours straight up, Antonia?
Maybe the blue one isn't.
Just make the blue one 12 inches, because I think that's the only reason it's blue instead of black, is because it's not defined.
No, I was thinking maybe I didn't make it 180 or 190.
Oh, okay.
How can I fix that without deleting it?
What are you trying to do? Make it
Parallel with the others because I think it's at an angle and not 90.
just try to either click the line once and see if something pops up on the left sidebar, or double click the line. Yeah, so that was a dimension.
I'll
Double
just
click
delete
the
it.
line? Okay.
You see mine, Josh?
Oh, let me switch over.
So I have the weldments tab. Just so we go from there.
Go ahead and oh, you see, go to the right of your screen. You see that blue arrow next to the X? Yeah, click that. So that exits the sketch, even if it's a 3D sketch. Okay, so
Oh.
now you can do weldments and do structural member. My suggestion is to do the top, then the bottom, then the metal pieces.
So where's the structural number?
It's right there above
There it is.
weldments. Yeah, just make sure you're doing ANSI, square tube, 2x2.
The fuck? Whoa, 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 whoa. I'm jacking shit up.
Yeah.
Because I'm clicking on these lines. Okay.
So yeah, go ahead and do the bottom four, but I'm do it a little slower so I can watch. Okay, so go ahead and just stop real fast. You see on the left where it says apply corner treatment?
Yeah.
I just want you to be aware that it's doing the cut like that on purpose. You see that?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, which is fine for now because it should all be welded together and it should apply the same way for our purpose. Oh, I think I figured it out. Wait, how do I click these things? How do I click these? I can't click these. What's going on? I can't click them. Interesting. Okay. Oh, yeah. I think I figured it out, guys. Sorry, I'm super excited. I know.
Should I do the legs of this cube? Or is that going to make it look?
Yeah. It's just I wanted you to do them in a certain order because if not, the construction comes out kind of weird. But you should be fine. Okay, I'll teach you how to trim that in a second. Let me check on Antonia. How are we doing? It looks like you're almost making a cube, right? Yeah.
Just kind of slow.
That's all right. How do I? Oh, dang it, SolidWorks. It's giving me newtons instead of pounds. Can I do pounds? I can't. Oh, yes, I can. Unit English. Pounds force. A lot. Select joints. Sure, why not? Oh, wait, am I selecting the joints to keep still?
I think I'm done, or I think, yeah.
Oh, shoot. Okay, this meeting might end in 10 minutes, but we will definitely come back if it does, because I want to give you guys at least a solid hour, if that's okay. Because I really want us to get to the force application that I'm just figuring out right now. Okay, so Antonia, good job. Go ahead on the kind of to the top right, there's a blue arrow next to the red X. Click the blue arrow.
This one?
Yes.
The undo?
Oh, wait, no, not that one. I was looking at my mouse. To the right. All the way to the right, more down, to the left.
Is this in inches? Is it naturally like in inches?
It should be. On the bottom right, it'll tell you if it's IPS or MMGS. Yeah, that
Okay.
blue arrow. Go ahead and click that, Antonia. Okay, so what that does is that exits the sketch, even if it's a 3D sketch. Because for a 3D sketch, you don't need to open a sketch, a conventional sketch, if that makes sense.
Mm.
So that's the only way to exit it. Now go to weldments. Click structural member. And then on the left, you got ANSI, square 2, 2x2. Good. Okay, so we're going to do this in 3 groups, okay, at a time. Because if we don't, it's going to end up kind of wonky. So click groups. And then click the bottom parts of the square in a clockwise or counterclockwise fashion. Doesn't matter. Okay, before you click green, I want you to go to the left. You see where it says apply corner treatment?
Yeah.
You see that little picture right there? I just want you to be aware that that's how it's merging the corners on purpose. Okay. So for this one, we'll go ahead and do the first setting, but you can change it around if you want to in the future. Okay.
Oh. So this one?
Yeah. Which that's not how we're going to do it in real life because that's, we're not going to cut perfect 45-degree angles on these tubes. It takes too long. And we don't need to. With simple constructions faster, it's always good. Go ahead and click the green arrow or the green check mark thingy at the top of the sidebar. There you go. All right, cool. Now do that again for the top.
Mm.
And ooh, okay, I did a thing. Dang it, where am I applying this force at? I am, okay, cool. Sorry, and then go ahead and do it for the vertical parts.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so we have 5 minutes left in this meeting. But if it drops out, I'll make another one immediately, okay?
Mm-hmm.
How do you trim these? Or are you gonna wait until we're both in the?
Oh, let me look at your screen real fast. So just go ahead and click OK. I wish they had it in there, but they don't. So at the top left next to structural member, there's a thing that says trim extend. And you'll do it like that. So yeah, do that for that. For the trimming pieces that you're cutting, do all 4. Oh no, you can do them all at the same time. You have to do them all at the same time.
I'll have to.
Yeah, I think so. I mean, and then for the bottom one, on the pink one, no, not yet. Go to the pink one, click bodies. Makes it a little easier. And then click all of the bars on top and all of the bars on bottom. And then click OK or check mark. And then it should have cut them to size. Yep, now you're basically where I am.
That's cute. It's a cute
Which
going on here.
I am trying to see what is going on with mine. Which it's acting a little weird than how I would expect it to. Yeah, what is that thing? What are you? What if I delete this study? All right, guys, we're gonna, where are you? Why are you here? What are you doing? There's this random sketch in my thing and I don't know why it's there. Oh, do they all have that? That's weird. I'm gonna do undo until, oh, I can't. Okay, whatever. All right, so Duncan has his cube. Where's Antonia? Hey, practically there. Okay, so go to right next to structural member. It says trim extend.
Mhm.
Click on that. So the body's 2B trim, that's the tubes that we're cutting basically. Go ahead and click all of the vertical ones. And then go to the pink option in the bottom left. There you go. Click bodies though for the option. And then just click the top and bottom tubes. Yeah. And then click OK or check mark, and then it should cut those tubes to the right length. Now, these aren't welded together per se. I think there's a thing to specifically do that, but it's acting as one body, so it's good enough for what we want to do. Okay, we have 2 minutes. Let's see if we can walk through this. I am going to share my screen now, okay? So you guys can either stop sharing or just click over to my view. Okay, can you see my stuff?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna move this, dang it, can I move this toolbar? Yes, I can, sweet. All right, so I don't know why this is there. I'm just gonna be straight up with you. I don't know. I did not put it there, but that's okay. So I am going to go to new study, static, check. Where did I go last time? External loads. We're going to do a force. And then what is this? Vertices, points. I'm not exactly sure what's going on here. I'm gonna click
External
these
loads. Force.
Yeah. If you guys have enough screen room, you can follow along. What is
Shall. Oh, you about to fuck up this cube, huh?
I'm trying to. How many joints do I have here? 20. Okay, cool. Our thing's gonna stop in like 1 minute, so when it cuts out, I'll just, yeah. You guys see what I'm doing now?
Did you just select all the?
I selected all the joints because last time I only did the bottom 4 because I thought it was keeping them perfectly still, and it didn't work the way I wanted it to. So now I'm just selecting all of them. I'll be honest with you, I'm not 100% sure how this works, but I know this is where we're supposed to be. So we're all learning together. So I'm gonna click just this face randomly, and then we're gonna apply a load of It's over here. Okay, so we're recording again. Oh, dang, look at this. Gives me options for all of this. Was this here before? I don't remember this being here before.
Normal to plane.
Clear selections. Force. Interesting.
So you went to simulation and
Yes, do you want me to start over?
it's only because I can't click anything. I don't know why. Did you have to select a sketch or
No, I did not. So let me see if I can go to your screen. So I don't know how to do that right now.
oh, it's because I'm not screen sharing. Give me 1 second.
Oh, that's right. Yeah, you guys can go ahead and do that.
You disabled it. It says host disabled participant screen sharing.
That's a lie. Okay, let me figure out how to get that taken care of. Let me just go ahead and stop this for a second and then go to these options. Okay, we should all be able to now. I do apologize for any fan noise in the background from my computer.
Yeah, so
Okay, so where are we at? We are, yeah, go to new study. It's the colored magnifying glass up there.
oh,
Yeah, and then just static is good. It's already selected, so click check. Oh, no, not that. The green check mark up there.
Are we doing normal to plane?
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking, because that's the equivalent of just like pushing on it, or that's what I'm thinking. Up there, do external loads advisor, but do the bottom, the arrow thingy.
What kind of steel is this again? I'm gonna do.
Oh, that's right. Is yours guys is steel? Ooh, that'll be
Sure.
fun. Because I changed mine to steel a while ago, but I don't know if you did, but that's okay. We'll just go along with it. Yeah, do force. And then for that, do the second option where it's got the little joint on the side of the blue. Yes, and then just click all the joints. This is what I'm messing with right now, and I'm not 100% sure how it works. So we're both trying to figure it out, okay? And then I think Duncan is there too. Right?
So. I was trying to run it earlier, but it said it was not defined.
Oh, that's what it said. How dare it?
Are we gonna put the force on that top face?
I
Or
put
are we
it
gonna-
on the side of one of the top bars.
Okay, and IPS, normal to plane.
And like I said, you both are welcome to fiddle with this because I am fiddling with it right now, okay? Oh, I think I might have known what happened now. Why I was doing it slightly wrong. Let's see if this works. Hold on, I'm gonna try this, and then it's running a study. And then, wait, did I get it? Did it work? I think I got it to work the way I wanted it to, which I know sounds kind of sad, but you know, whatever. It's fine. Okay, let's try this force again. Let's put it up to 2,000. Then run it.
Oh yeah, my material is not defined. So
Okay, I think there's two ways to do that. Let me go ahead. I'm going to delete my study because I definitely figured out how to do something. Okay, so both of you guys can just X out of your simulations because neither of you have materials applied as far as I know. So sorry for that. I'm looking at Antonia's screen right now. So go ahead and on the top or on the left, the middle left,
How
I'll
do I
just,
close this? I'm sorry.
I actually don't know. Just click the main screen, like click your object. Oh, click a blank spot on the screen. You're like right there. Interesting. I don't know. You might be able to drag it back to the side if you use the, yeah, that part. That looks like it works. Okay, so let's see. Go to the top left. Do you see where that scroll bar is? Right, it says part 1, down, down.
Ah.
On part 1, no, up. Yeah, there. Right click on that. And then there might be a thing. Yeah, it says material. Edit material. And
Whoa.
do AISI 1020. Duncan, are you sharing your screen?
yes.
Okay. Did you, it looks like you did it because yours is a different color. It's a slightly browner, right?
Yeah, I think mine's trying to run the thing right now.
Oh, did you click run this thing?
The static one. Yeah, it's not doing anything.
Okay, then it's probably not there. Go ahead and click the force thing again. Just double click it. Oh, not like that. Interesting. Okay, go ahead and you can do right click on your study on the static one and delete it and then try it again. Oh, you can't. What is going on over there, man? All right, let's see. New study, static. Fixtures. Ooh. Okay. Here we go. I might have found something. You guys give me just a minute and I'm gonna try to figure this out again. You know, whatever. I do have to select a reference. Dang it. Okay, cool. Okay, sorry, mine is running a study. Let's see if this works out the way I wanted it to. Yes. Okay. Do you guys want me to walk you through how to do it, or do you want me to show you how to do it?
We can show. I
Okay.
have to go here in like 5 minutes because I had a meeting for something at 7 o'clock.
Okay. Yeah, I can show you in 5 minutes. We can definitely do that.
Okay.
I just do have a question. I tried hitting apply, but it never, like, it's still, the window's still open. Like, it never applied.
Hold on. Let me see your window real fast. Who's am I on? I'm on Duncan's. We got Antonius. Oh yeah, you just hit apply and hit close.
Oh, apply and then close. Okay.
Yeah, it's dumb like that. Does it look browner to you?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. It's applied. All right.
Okay.
Share mine because I know we gotta go. All right. You see this? How it's twisted? That's how it works. And this is where the force is applied. All right. So I'm going to delete this. I don't know a good way to like stop it, so I just delete it and start over. Okay. You watching, Duncan? Okay, so we're gonna do new study, static. It's on static. We are good there. I just did fixtures, advisor, add a fixture. Immovable, no translation, okay? And then it wants you to select a joint. So we're doing a movable, and then we're doing the bottom 4 joints, okay? That's gonna pretend like the whole bottom structure is basically welded to something very strongly, if that makes sense. And then I'm gonna do a force on this joint. Oh wait, sorry, it wants a joint. Gotta select the middle one for joint.
Wait, which ones did you made fixed? The bottom ones or?
Yeah, all the bottom ones.
The bottom joints?
Yeah, my reference geometry is just the left face of the top bar. And then I'm gonna do something insanely strong, and I'm selecting this for the direction of the force. I'm gonna do something like 1,500 pounds. I'm gonna click OK. Nothing's gonna happen yet because you can still do other, like, what do you call it? Conditions. But if you want to run it, you need to click this, run the study, which it might take longer on your guys' computer because, no offense, my processor is about $300. I don't know if you guys have a $300 processor. And then I look at it from the side, and then look, it's flexed and distorted, and we can see how much later on, I'm sure. But for now, you can physically see the deflection of the structure. You guys see that?
Yeah, I'm running it right now.
And there's a way to do it with...
It is pretty.
Yeah, there's a way to do it with color. I
Yeah,
don't know how to do it.
The displacement. It showed up on mine for like just a little bit.
Yeah, I don't know how to get it back because that's the pretty part, you know?
If you go to... Because it was the first thing that popped up.
Yeah. Oh, hey, check it out. If you go to deformed result, you can turn on and off the simulation. But yeah, this actually, I wanted to do more than this today, but I'm glad we got everybody caught up.
Oh, yeah. If you double click on displacement.
Which one? I have 2.
Under that left tab, under results, displacement 1.
I have displacement 1, res displacement, and then displacement 1, it just says displacement. Res displacement?
Yeah.
Oh, show. There we go.
Yeah.
And then over here, it tells you the stress in there, or is this deflection or stress? There's a way to change this too, to give you certain units. And you can either have it go from the minimum stress in the structure to the highest stress, or from 0 stress to the highest stress. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So look, now you guys learned something. When we get I think we should be able to add tabs to the suspension and the chassis, and then we can apply a force to it in line with the shock load, and then see how much the chassis flexes. Which I don't know if we got pictures of that last time, but we definitely need to do that this time. All right, you need to go, Duncan?
Yeah, bro.
All right, did you get it working on yours, though?
Yeah, do you want to, here, let me share my screen.
Sweet. All right, man, you completed this lesson. Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you for teaching us and being patient.
That's sarcasm.
No, I mean, I appreciate it. God, I don't know shit about SolidWorks because I mean, like, I know mechanicals, y'all at least take that like intro class and know the commands and shit. The only.
Oh wait, civil doesn't?
No, we use AutoCAD. Like we use.
Oh, I thought you just use that for your job or whatever, but you actually use that in school.
Yeah, we use it in school because, like, I mean, it's just better for like planning, like in like planning really. I mean, they do 3D stuff too, but nothing like SolidWorks.
Yeah, it looks like it's more for like schematics and stuff, right?
Yeah, but yeah, the only thing I know about SolidWorks is from like the handful of like 10-minute sit downs I've had with Kyle last year.
Oh, dude, you should have told me. I thought you had experience with it. I didn't know you're starting from scratch.
No, that's why I was like fucking around so long trying to make the cube. I was like,
that's cool. I don't know. I can go through some like lessons from other people. I can get you some stuff like what we do in classes. We just make parts, but they're just increasingly more and more complex throughout like the semester. So if you had time, you could try making those, and then I can get PowerPoints for it, and it should help you to, really tune the features in SolidWorks.
Yeah, bro, that'd be cool. I'd appreciate that. Because I mean, I'd probably just spend a couple hours on it a day.
Yeah, I mean, I'll try to get you something. I'll ask the other people like who's in graphics or whatever, because that's our SolidWorks class.
All right, that's awesome.
All right, man. I'll catch you later.
Catch you later.
See ya. Antonia, how far did you get? Because I want to make sure you can get this far before we head out.
Let me share my screen again.
Okay. And you actually you're a mechanical, right? So you had a class in SolidWorks?
Mm-hmm. That's why I was confused about the whole. I did extruding instead of the whole 3D sketch because we never did 3D sketch.
Yeah. I mean, they only got you so far. They got enough to draw basic parts, which was really cool. But yeah. Mm-hmm. I saw all of the Chegg tabs open. I won't tell anybody. It's for studying. Okay. So it looks like you have points. You're in the static. Did you apply a force already or no?
No, I didn't apply a force at all.
Okay, but you're in a study, so that's good. Okay, so at the top, the big toolbar, go to fixture advisors, and then click on it again.
Oh, click on this?
Maybe, yeah. Do fixed geometry. I'm trying to take a shortcut on yours at your expense. I know I'm horrible. Do immovable, no translation. And then the icon below it wants a joint, right?
Yes.
Okay, so click the bottom 4 joints. Now, obviously, you don't know which joint is which joint, but just make sure that you have 4 in the blue box when you're done,
Mm-hmm. Okay.
And then click OK or check mark. Okay, now we're going to do what we did before. Go to external loads, the drop-down menu. Do force. Let's see. Click on the by the blue box, click the joint setting. Yeah, that. Click the joint closest to you on the top.
This one?
Is that one closest to you?
I guess this one.
Yeah, that one. Sorry, I'm trying to be a teacher a little bit.
Okay.
Click the pink box now. So that's not necessarily what you're applying the force to. That's just a reference geometry for it to figure out directions, okay?
Okay.
So zoom in to the point that you clicked. All right, so you're gonna select the face on the left bar, right there, yes, perfect. Okay, go back to the toolbar. Yeah, there you go, sorry. Click the SI, and we're gonna change it to the English stuff. Metric, what is metric? Oh, I wanna mess with that later. Okay, on the left-hand side where it says force, do you know the difference between a force and a moment?
Yes. Force. I guess it's like a load applied. It's like, I guess, like a weight, and then a moment. It's the force and the, I guess, the length.
Yeah, well, yeah, that's the scientific way of putting it. So a force is like would be like my pencil pushing my finger, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then a moment would be me twisting the pencil. You see how it's bending a little bit?
Okay. Yeah.
So yeah, so a moment's it's a torque, it's a twist, it's a force at a distance from a support or wherever you're measuring from. That's what makes it a moment. If I'm putting a force directly in line with where I'm holding it, there's no twisting action. But if I put it over here, there's a twisting action. So that's what makes a moment.
Okay.
Okay, so that's just the main difference. But we're just going to do force right now, since for shocks, they don't exert moments on structures. And the shock suspension is how the force gets applied from the ground, the road through the tires, and then into the chassis. So it's just a linear force through the shock mount. So
Okay.
you're going to click on the left, click the bottom one for force. And then go ahead and mouse over it and see what it says, just so you know. Normal to plane. So normal just means like straight into it, right? Perpendicular, but I guess they just came up with normal because they want to be fancy. So where it says pound feet, the text box, just type 1500. And then hit check mark. Okay, now zoom out a little bit. And we only applied that to one corner, right? Just the closest corner to you?
Yes.
Okay, so I don't mean this in an insulting way, I promise. I don't know, or I don't think your computer is as beefy as mine. So when you click run the study, it's gonna tax your computer because it's doing a simulation, all right? So if it drops out or freezes, whatever, just be aware. It shouldn't take more than 60 seconds though. I don't even think it'll take 30 on your computer, but just go ahead and click run the study. Oh no. What? I thought your material was defined.
No, because you said I clicked apply, but
Yeah.
the window wouldn't close. So you said apply and then close.
Did you click the close text box or the close X? You click,
Close text box.
yeah, that's weird. It should have done it. Okay. Just click OK on that. And then go to the left toolbar where it says part 1 default. We can try to apply material there again and see what happens. Edit material. And then, yeah, click apply. You can click apply 5 times. I did, it's fine. Just click like a mad woman. And then click close. Okay. Try run this simulation, run the study again and see what happens. What the poop? Okay. That's so weird. It should be working. Okay, I have 2 more ideas for this. So on the top toolbar, next to new study, there's a thing that says apply material. Let's try that and see what happens. Yeah, it's the same stuff. So yeah, do 1020, apply, and then close, and then try run the study again. Hey, there you go. And it should give you a new, yeah, sometimes it has a loading bar twice. Wow, look at that. Okay, I forget. On the bottom left, or on the left toolbar towards the bottom, there's two things that says displacement. Right click the top displacement thingy and just hit show. And that gives you color coded stresses in the structure.
Can I click on it? No, okay.
No, it's just a visualization of the structure. But the sketch is there, and then the points are there. The joints, the points, whatever.
And then this is the one I selected, right?
Yeah, that little arrow is the joint you selected, and then that is the direction of force.
Okay.
So look, now you know how to do somebody no one else in that class knows how to do. I wonder if you could like get kind of silly with this and use this to solve solids homework. That'd be cool.
Oh, I didn't think of that.
Yeah, I just need to figure out the red thingy because it says millimeters, and I'm not sure exactly what it's doing. I'm sure there's a way to get internal stress in there. I am almost 100% sure, but I don't know how to do it right now. So I hope this was a good lesson for you. I actually wanted to get this done in about 30 minutes. We can move on to trying to make the quick jack and then put a load on that, but we'll have to save that for next time.
Okay.
Okay. So I don't think we'll be having a meeting in the shop this weekend, like I said, because the officers want to try out the welder.
Mhm.
And I'd rather them experiment with it and blow themselves up than you guys. Not really, but you know. And then I'm gonna see if Kyle can be there Sunday, and me and him and then the suspension guys will talk about possibly moving some beams in the front, which I think I told you guys about that, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So it turns out I found a loophole, and I haven't told Kyle yet because I still want him to show up. That we might not have to move that side impact bar. Because although it's from the 2019 rules, they're still allowing us to use that old, outdated standard on 2021 cars.
Oh, okay.
So, but I still want to move some of the suspension beams so that we are in full compliance with their triangulation rules. The ones that I showed you, where it has to meet at a certain level, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm gonna ask them, hey, can we move these? I'll have the SolidWorks thing there on my laptop. We can run stresses on it, yada yada. You know, and they'll be like, oh, it deflects a lot. And like, oh no, it doesn't. So, like for this cube, I mean, it's a pretty thick cube, but we applied 1,500 pounds of force before it actually had noticeable deflection, right?
Yeah.
So either that or I was done before and I didn't see deflection, but yeah. So we will pick up again on Thursday. We'll try to actually design, or at least start designing, the quick jack, and then if we get far enough in one session, we can actually put force on it and see if it's good enough.
Mhm.
Yep. That way we don't just build it and then it's like, oh, it collapsed and the car dropped and then the engine has a crack in it. And yeah, okay, my bad.
Yeah.
So we can see on the computer at least if it's good. And then it won't be complicated, but do you remember the process of kind of making assemblies?
Sort of, yes.
Okay, so this isn't going to be a horrible assembly. Oh, this meeting's going to end in 10 minutes, but that's okay. We'll be out in 5. I had it up. Let me share my screen.
Oh yeah, I gotta go eat dinner at the cafeteria.
Yeah, I know. I'm trying to get you out of here. So can you see this right here?
Hold on. Okay, I see it now.
Okay, so this is really just a bottom part, 2 legs, a top part, and then this lever. And then it's just got some hinges with some bolts, which we can just draw up as like, you know, rods with a top. So it should be pretty easy to assemble in SolidWorks, right?
Mhm.
Yeah, so that's all we're going to try to do next week.
Oh,
But
okay.
hopefully I'll have the welding machine working, and then we can discuss the time to get in there, either on the weekend or possibly just the Thursday or Friday afterwards. I need to just see how everything goes. And then I'll do a poll to see how people feel about in-person meeting times versus Zoom meeting times. You know what I mean?
Mhm.
So yeah, that's all I have today. I hope that was an enlightening experience.
Oh yeah, because I've never used a 3D sketch, and then the whole Weldments thing. I didn't know you could do that on there.
Yeah,
But
I
yeah,
think it
so
was really
everything.
cool. Go ahead.
Oh yeah, so everything we did was pretty new.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
And just real quick, so Kyle would have a sketch of the suspension, and then it would be on this plane, like you'd have, sorry, you can't see that. It'd be like on this plane, and then
Mhm.
you would make a plane based off of those dots and offset it, and then on this plane you draw the roll hoop, but it's offset like a half inch from the suspension points.
Mm.
And then in 3D Sketch, obviously you're drawing an X, Y, Y, X or whatever. But if you just connect two dots, no matter where they're at, it'll just draw the line straight there. You don't have to mess with the angle or the length or anything. It just snaps to it.
Okay.
So yeah, that's all for today. Go get some dinner or whatever. And I will talk to you guys Sunday about what the new plan is, okay?
Okay.
Okay. All right. Bye.
Bye.